Rule number 40, product knowledge used at the wrong time can be intimidating. This is a story about an elderly couple who walked into a furniture store to buy a new china cabinet that the lady was in earlier to look at. They'd already made up their minds to buy the very nice piece of furniture and even had the check made out for upwards of $4,000. The lady hands the check to one of the salespeople on the floor and says to him, "We'll take the one over there. Please deliver it by Saturday," as she points to the beautiful, well-made piece. The salesperson, astonished that somebody would buy this easily, says to the lady, "Ball bearings, ball bearings." She says, "What?" "Ball bearings in the drawers. See how easily the drawers glide. This is a great feature." The lady takes the check back out of the salesman's hand and begins to walk out of the store, shaking her head in disgust. The salesman says, "What's wrong? Don't you want this beautiful piece of furniture anymore?" The lady says, "It's the ball bearings, the ball bearings. When I was a little girl, I accidentally swallowed one and almost died." Moral of the story, don't oversell. I invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Or for more information, you can also visit us at baileymarketing.sandler.com.